Please like and subscribe. Deep within South America lies a realm of immense scale and unparalleled wonder. The Amazon rainforest and the mighty river form a world unto themselves, a place of vibrant life, ancient secrets, and delicate balance. The Amazon is the Earth's beating heart, teeming with more species than anywhere else on the planet. A river so vast, its veins nourish a green ocean of life. A realm of superlatives, a testament to nature's creativity. Its existence is a precious gift we must protect. At the heart of this verdant realm flows the Amazon River, a colossal force of nature. Originating high in the Andes Mountains, it embarks on an epic journey, gathering strength from countless tributaries. The Amazon River courses through the heart of the rainforest, its waters a lifeline for the millions of creatures that call this place home. The river's pulse is the rhythm of the Amazon, dictating the ebb and flow of life. During the rainy season, its waters swell, inundating vast areas of forest. This creates a unique flooded forest ecosystem where fish swim amongst the trees and animals adapt to a world transformed by water. As the waters recede during the dry season, the river leaves behind nutrient-rich sediment, nourishing the forest floor. This cycle of flooding and retreat creates a dynamic ecosystem, constantly changing and evolving. The Amazon River is not merely a waterway. It is the lifeblood of the rainforest, connecting its diverse habitats and shaping its destiny. From the air, the Amazon rainforest appears as a vast emerald tapestry, an unbroken expanse of green stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the largest rainforest on Earth, a realm of staggering biodiversity. Within its depths, a symphony of life unfolds, a testament to the power of nature's imagination. The rainforest is a multi-layered world, each level teeming with life. Towering trees form a dense canopy, their branches reaching for the sky like emerald giants. Below, a tangle of vines and lianas creates a living maze, connecting the forest floor to the sun-drenched heights. The forest floor is a world of its own, home to a dazzling array of insects, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. Jaguars stalk their prey through the undergrowth, while monkeys swing through the trees, their calls echoing through the stillness. The Amazon rainforest is a kaleidoscope of life, a reminder of the beauty and fragility of our planet. For millennia, the Amazon rainforest has been home to indigenous communities, guardians of this ancient realm. These are people who live in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the forest. Their knowledge and traditions offer invaluable insights into the delicate balance of the Amazonian ecosystem. Indigenous communities have long understood the importance of sustainable living, taking only what they need from the forest and ensuring its continued abundance. They are the keepers of traditional knowledge, passed down through generations, about the medicinal properties of plants, the behavior of animals, and the secrets of the rainforest. Their deep connection to the land is reflected in their spiritual beliefs, their myths and legends woven into the very fabric of the rainforest. They believe in the interconnectedness of all living things, recognizing that the well-being of the forest is essential to their own survival. However, their way of life is increasingly threatened by the encroachment of the modern world. Imagine a journey not on land, but on water. A journey so vast it mirrors the crossing of a continent. This is the voyage of the Amazon River, a journey born high in the Andes Mountains, where snow-capped peaks touch the sky. From icy streams and glacial melt, the river begins its descent. Gathering momentum, it carves a path through the rugged terrain, its waters a torrent of raw power. Tributaries, like threads weaving a tapestry, join the main channel, each adding its own story to the river's flow. The Amazon's roar becomes a symphony of nature, echoing through the canyons and valleys. As the river descends, the landscape softens. The foothills of the Andes give way to the vast expanse of the Amazon basin. Here, the river slows its pace, meandering across a floodplain that stretches as far as the eye can see. This is the beginning of the Amazon's transformation. The Amazon River Basin is a land of superlatives, a realm shaped by the ebb and flow of water. It is a vast bowl, ringed by mountains and highlands, that cradles the Amazon rainforest and its network of rivers. Here, rainfall is plentiful, feeding the river and its tributaries. The basin acts like a giant sponge, absorbing the rainfall and releasing it slowly throughout the year. This creates a unique hydrological cycle, one that sustains the rainforest and influences weather patterns across the continent. The Amazon basin is a vital organ in the Earth's climate system. Within the basin, the Amazon River fans out, creating a labyrinth of waterways that connect different parts of the rainforest. These rivers and streams, some navigable, others hidden deep in the forest, are the arteries of the Amazon, carrying lifeblood to its furthest reaches. The Amazon River system is not just one river, but a complex network of interconnected waterways. These rivers and streams, each with its own character, weave through the rainforest, creating a labyrinth of life. Some are wide and slow-moving, others narrow and swift. Blackwater rivers, stained dark by tannins from decaying leaves, flow through dense forests, their waters teeming with unique species. Clearwater rivers, their beds often rocky and visible, offer glimpses of the underwater world. Each type of river supports its own specialized ecosystem. These waterways are not barriers, but highways for the rainforest's inhabitants. Fish migrate along these channels, seeking food and spawning grounds. Animals use them as corridors for movement, traveling between different parts of the forest. The rivers are the lifeblood of the Amazon. At the heart of the Amazon basin lies the mighty Amazon River, a force of nature that dwarfs all others. Its sheer scale is difficult to comprehend. It flows for over 4,000 miles, longer than any other river in the world except for the Nile, depending on how it's measured. Its width can reach up to 30 miles during the rainy season, when its waters rise to engulf the surrounding forest. Its depth in some places exceeds 300 feet, a testament to the volume of water it carries. The Amazon River is a giant, a symbol of the rainforest's immensity. The river's flow is immense, carrying more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. It discharges over 20% of the world's fresh water into the Atlantic Ocean, influencing ocean currents and marine life far beyond its shores. The Amazon River is a global force. The Amazon River and its rainforest are not just geographically vast, their influence extends far beyond their physical boundaries. The river's flow influences ocean currents, carrying nutrients that support marine life thousands of miles away. The rainforest's transpiration cycle helps to regulate global weather patterns. The Amazon basin is a carbon sink of immense importance, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps to mitigate the effects of climate change, making the Amazon rainforest a vital buffer against global warming. Its preservation is crucial for the health of our planet. The Amazon River and rainforest are a testament to the power of nature, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Understanding their scale and significance is essential for appreciating the vital role they play in our planet's well-being. Step into the Amazon rainforest, and you enter a realm where life explodes in every direction. This is a symphony of nature, a chorus of sounds, scents, and colors unlike any other. From the tallest tree to the smallest insect, every creature plays a vital role in this intricate web of life. The sheer diversity of species is staggering. Scientists estimate that the Amazon rainforest is home to at least 10% of the world's known species, and new ones are still being discovered. This incredible biodiversity is a testament to the rainforest's age and the variety of habitats it contains. Every inch of the rainforest teems with life. Insects hum and buzz amidst the foliage, their wings a blur of color. Monkeys chatter from the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. Frogs croak from hidden ponds, their voices a serenade to the night. Where green reigns supreme, the Amazon rainforest is a world dominated by plants. Trees of every size and shape reach for the sky, their branches laden with epiphytes and vines. The air is thick with the scent of damp earth, blooming flowers, and decaying leaves. Here, green reigns supreme. Towering giants, some reaching heights of over 200 feet, form the rainforest canopy, their crowns filtering the sunlight and creating a dappled understory. Below, a tangle of smaller trees, shrubs, and ferns compete for the remaining light, creating a dense and verdant undergrowth. The forest floor itself is a carpet of life, covered in fallen leaves, fungi, and seedlings. Here, decomposers work tirelessly, breaking down organic matter and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. The Amazon rainforest is a master of recycling, its life cycle a continuous loop of growth, decay, and renewal. Creatures of the canopy. High above the forest floor, a different world exists. The rainforest canopy is a realm of sunlight and air, a place where monkeys swing through the branches and birds of paradise display their vibrant plumage. Here, life is adapted to the challenges of living amongst the treetops. Spider monkeys, with their long limbs and prehensile tails, navigate this arboreal world with ease, their acrobatic feats a marvel to behold. Howler monkeys, their guttural roars echoing through the forest, announce their presence to rivals. Birds are the masters of the canopy, their songs and calls filling the air. Toucans, with their oversized beaks, feast on fruits and berries. Macaws, their feathers a riot of color, flit through the trees, their squawks a familiar sound in the rainforest. Secrets of the understory. Beneath the dense canopy, a world of shadows and secrets unfolds. The rainforest understory is a place of hushed whispers, where creatures have adapted to life in the dim light. Here, camouflage and stealth are essential for survival. Jaguars, the apex predators of the Amazon, stalk their prey through the undergrowth, their spotted coats blending seamlessly with the dappled light. Ocelots, smaller but equally elusive, hunt rodents and birds, their keen eyesight and hearing giving them an advantage in the darkness. Snakes, both venomous and non-venomous, slither through the undergrowth, their scales shimmering in the dim light. Insects, their exoskeletons a dazzling array of colors and patterns, crawl amongst the leaves and branches, their presence a reminder of the rainforest's incredible diversity. Life in the Amazon rainforest presents unique challenges, and the creatures that call it home have evolved remarkable adaptations to survive. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, each species has developed specialized features that allow it to thrive in its particular niche. The Amazon River dolphin, or pink dolphin, is a testament to the power of adaptation. Unlike its ocean-dwelling relatives, it has evolved a long, flexible snout and a rounded dorsal fin that allow it to navigate the murky waters and flooded forests of the Amazon River system. Sloths, with their slow movements and algae-covered fur, are masters of camouflage, blending seamlessly with the trees they inhabit. Their slow metabolism allows them to survive on a diet of leaves which are low in nutrients. The Amazon rainforest, for all its resilience, is facing unprecedented threats. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, is eating away at the rainforest's edges, fragmenting habitats and pushing countless species towards extinction. Climate change is exacerbating these threats, with rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns disrupting the delicate balance of the ecosystem. The loss of the Amazon rainforest would be a global tragedy. It would not only mean the extinction of countless species, but it would also have devastating consequences for the planet's climate. The rainforest acts as a massive carbon sink, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Protecting the Amazon rainforest is not just a matter of conservation, it is a matter of global survival. We must act now to address the threats facing this vital ecosystem, for the sake of the rainforest itself, for the indigenous communities who call it home, and for the future of our planet. Deep within the emerald embrace of the Amazon rainforest, the whispers of ancient cultures echo through the trees. For millennia, indigenous communities have called this place home, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the forest. Their stories, passed down through generations, speak of a profound connection to the natural world. These are not tales of conquest or dominion, but of respect, reverence, and understanding. Indigenous peoples view the rainforest not as a resource to be exploited, but as a living being to be honored and protected. Their traditions and beliefs offer a glimpse into a way of life that is deeply attuned to the delicate balance of nature. Imagine a world where the forest speaks and its inhabitants listen. This is the world of the Amazon's indigenous communities, where the rustling of leaves carries messages and the songs of birds tell stories. Their knowledge, accumulated over centuries of observation and interaction, holds invaluable insights into the rainforest's secrets. For the indigenous peoples of the Amazon, life is a delicate dance between humanity and nature. They understand that they are not separate from the rainforest, but an integral part of its intricate web of life. Their actions are guided by a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all living things. They have learned to live sustainably within the rainforest's embrace, taking only what they need and giving back in return. Their hunting and fishing practices are carefully managed to ensure the long-term health of animal populations. Their agricultural systems are designed to work in harmony with the forest, mimicking its natural cycles. This harmonious relationship is reflected in their spiritual beliefs. Many indigenous groups believe in forest spirits, guardians of the natural world, who ensure balance and harmony. These beliefs serve as a powerful reminder of the importance of respecting the rainforest and its inhabitants. Indigenous communities are the true guardians of the Amazon rainforest. Their intimate knowledge of the forest's ecosystems makes them invaluable allies in conservation efforts. They are the eyes and ears of the rainforest, the first to notice changes in animal behavior, plant life, and weather patterns. Their traditional knowledge can help scientists understand the complex interactions within the rainforest and develop more effective conservation strategies. Their understanding of medicinal plants, for example, has led to the discovery of new drugs and treatments. However, their role as guardians is increasingly threatened. Deforestation, driven by logging, mining, and agriculture, is encroaching on their ancestral lands, displacing communities and disrupting their way of life. The loss of their knowledge and traditions would be an immeasurable loss for the rainforest and the world. The Amazon rainforest is not home to a single, homogeneous indigenous culture. It is a tapestry woven from the threads of hundreds of distinct groups, each with its own language, traditions, and beliefs. This cultural diversity is as rich and varied as the rainforest itself. Some groups, like the Yanomami, live in remote villages deep within the rainforest, maintaining a way of life that has changed little over centuries. Others, like the Takuna, have adapted to life on the riverbanks, their livelihoods intertwined with the ebb and flow of the Amazon River. Despite their differences, these communities share a deep connection to the rainforest and a commitment to its protection. Their cultures are living testaments to the power of human resilience and adaptability, offering valuable lessons for a world grappling with environmental challenges. A world under threat. The world of the Amazon's indigenous communities is under threat. Deforestation, driven by unsustainable economic activities, is tearing through the rainforest at an alarming rate. Logging companies clear-cut vast swaths of forest for timber, while mining operations carve open pits in search of gold and other minerals. Agriculture is another major driver of deforestation, as large-scale farming operations expand into the rainforest, clearing land for cattle ranching and soy production. These activities not only destroy vital habitat, but also displace indigenous communities, forcing them from their ancestral lands. The consequences of this destruction are far-reaching. The loss of the rainforest not only threatens the survival of countless plant and animal species, but also exacerbates climate change. The Amazon rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The Amazon rainforest, once a symbol of nature's resilience, now faces a barrage of threats. Deforestation eats away at the forest's edges, leaving behind scars of bare earth and fragmented ecosystems. What was once a continuous expanse of green is now increasingly fragmented. The scale of deforestation is staggering. Every year, millions of acres are cleared, driven by demand for land and resources. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting the entire planet. A changing climate, a fragile balance. The Amazon rainforest evolved over millennia to thrive within a narrow range of climatic conditions. Now, climate change is disrupting these delicate balances, pushing the rainforest towards a tipping point beyond which its survival is uncertain. Rising temperatures, altered rainfall patterns, and increased frequency of extreme weather events are all taking their toll. The rainforest is experiencing hotter and more frequent droughts, which increase the risk of wildfires and tree mortality. These droughts also dry out the forest floor, making it more susceptible to burning during the dry season. As temperatures rise, the rainforest's ability to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere declines, further exacerbating climate change. The Amazon rainforest is now a source of carbon emissions rather than a sink, releasing more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere than it absorbs. This shift has profound implications for global climate change, as the Amazon's role as a carbon sink has helped to mitigate the effects of human-caused greenhouse gas emissions. The relentless hunger for land and resources is a primary driver of deforestation in the Amazon. Vast tracts of rainforest are cleared each year to make way for cattle ranching, soy production, mining operations, and infrastructure projects. These activities are driven by a complex interplay of economic, social, and political factors, often with devastating consequences for the environment and local communities. Cattle ranching is the single largest driver of deforestation in the Amazon. Vast pastures are carved out of the rainforest to raise cattle for beef production, much of which is exported to meet global demand. Soybean cultivation is another major threat, as large-scale farms expand into the rainforest to grow soybeans for animal feed and biofuels. Mining operations, particularly for gold, iron ore, and bauxite, also contribute to deforestation. These operations often involve clearing large areas of forest to access mineral deposits, leaving behind a legacy of environmental degradation, including deforestation, soil erosion, and water pollution. The consequences of deforestation and environmental degradation in the Amazon rainforest extend far beyond the region itself. The loss of this vital ecosystem has profound implications for biodiversity, climate change, indigenous communities, and the health of the planet as a whole. It is a web of interconnected consequences that we ignore at our peril. The Amazon rainforest is home to an estimated 10% of the world's known species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Deforestation is pushing countless species towards extinction, disrupting intricate ecological relationships and unraveling the tapestry of life that has evolved over millennia. The loss of the Amazon rainforest also has significant implications for climate change. As the rainforest is cleared and burned, vast amounts of carbon dioxide are released into the atmosphere, contributing to global warming. This, in turn, exacerbates the effects of climate change, leading to more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and other environmental problems. The Amazon rainforest, a place of immense beauty, unparalleled biodiversity, and profound cultural significance, stands at a crossroads. The threats it faces are urgent and multifaceted, demanding a global response that matches the scale of the challenge. The time for complacency is long gone. The time for action is now. We can no longer afford to view the Amazon as a distant wilderness, unconnected to our own lives and well-being. Its fate is inextricably linked to our own, for the Amazon is not just a rainforest. It is the Earth's beating heart, regulating climate, generating oxygen, and sustaining life on a global scale. The destruction of the Amazon is a collective failure, a symptom of unsustainable consumption patterns, short-sighted policies, and a disconnect from the natural world. But within this crisis lies an opportunity, a chance to redefine our relationship with nature and forge a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Amidst the alarming reports of deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change, there are seeds of hope taking root in the Amazon. Across the region, individuals, communities, organizations, and governments are working tirelessly to protect what remains of this vital ecosystem and restore what has been lost. Indigenous communities, the ancestral guardians of the rainforest, are on the front lines of this struggle, defending their lands and cultures from the encroachment of destructive industries. Their traditional knowledge and deep connection to the natural world make them invaluable allies in conservation efforts. Scientists are working to better understand the complex dynamics of the rainforest ecosystem, providing vital data to inform conservation strategies and raise awareness about the global importance of the Amazon. Their research highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth and the urgent need to protect biodiversity. The fate of the Amazon may seem like an overwhelming problem, too vast and complex for any one person to make a difference. But the truth is, every action, no matter how small, has the power to create ripples of change that extend far beyond ourselves. The power of one, multiplied by millions, can indeed move mountains. We can start by reducing our own impact on the environment. By making conscious choices about the products we consume, the energy we use, and the waste we generate, we can lessen our demand on the Earth's resources, including those of the Amazon rainforest. We can support organizations working to protect the Amazon through donations, volunteering, or simply spreading awareness about their work. By amplifying their voices and supporting their efforts, we contribute to a collective movement for change. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. Will we be remembered as the generation that stood by and watched as the Amazon rainforest, one of the Earth's most precious treasures, vanished from the face of the planet? Or will we be remembered as the generation that rose to the challenge, summoned the courage to change course, and ensured the survival of this vital ecosystem for generations to come? The Amazon rainforest is not just a collection of trees, rivers, and animals. It is a symbol of life itself, of resilience, of interconnectedness, and of the boundless creativity of nature. It is a living testament to the power of evolution, a masterpiece billions of years in the making. Let us be inspired by the Amazon's enduring legacy, a legacy that speaks to the power of nature to heal, regenerate, and thrive, even in the face of adversity. Let us be guided by the wisdom of indigenous cultures who have long understood the importance of living in harmony with the natural world. The fate of the Amazon rainforest is not just a regional issue. It is a global concern that transcends national borders and political ideologies. It is a reminder that we are all interconnected, that our actions have consequences, and that we have a collective responsibility to protect the planet we share. The challenges facing the Amazon are complex and multifaceted, but they are not insurmountable. By embracing a global perspective, fostering collaboration, and working together with a shared sense of purpose, we can create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive. The Amazon rainforest is a beacon of hope, a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, life finds a way. It is a call to action, an invitation to join a global movement to protect this irreplaceable treasure and create a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Let us answer this call with courage, compassion, and an unwavering commitment to safeguarding our planet's future.